Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share some of the details, some of the enhancement that I have made to this Telegram, Traytron to Telegram PNL binary. All right. So on the left hand side, I have this Traytron account which is showing the paper trading of multiple strategies that I am subscribed to. All right. And on the right hand side, I have this terminal. Below right hand side, I have this Telegram group open. All right. Now, what I want is I want to uh, get all the live PNL of all the strategies that are there. Maybe paper trading or the live trading, but for convenience purpose, I'm putting only the paper trades as of now. All right. You can probably on line number 15 you can probably change it from the trade type from paper trading to live auto. All right. Now, coming back to the point, I have added a new field show all the strategies in board. What it will do, it will take either the values yes or no. If you say yes, so whatever the strategy that you are running in paper trading, it will basically get all the PNL of live PNL from the trade prone to the Telegram group. All right. So let me show you a quick demo of it. So I have this I have mentioned this as yes, all right, and alongside I have this strategies mapping as well. So this strategies mapping is basically again a field which contains the path to a file called strategies mapping.txt, and currently just consider that any strategy that you are passing here, it will take two different fields. One is a short name and the other is the template ID. All right. So I'll talk about it later. So let's go ahead. So I'm making this show strategy import is equals to yes, and I'm going to this path, and I will basically print all the details of this. So it contains ttpnl.mac. All right. What I'll do, I'll create a new tab. Okay. Just a minute. All right. So now what I'll do, I'll just run ttpnl.mac, ttpnl.mac, and I will hit enter. Okay. So it started, the application has started. All right. After every 10 seconds, it reads the data from TradePro and dumps the data into it. It has nine strategies that are currently subscribed to. Okay. So paper trading of nine. All right. So I am getting six strategies here. Let me just stop it as of now and see what's wrong with it. Okay. So first thing first, this is yes, I have mentioned. Okay, and if I say one is the Ericus maximus BNF, then blue whale, white shark, so Nifty Kuber, and James Bond, this is not there. Okay, yeah. So I'll explain you why it is not printed. This again will not be there. Okay, so the strategies which have a status of active will not be printed because active means the trade will not be there. Trade has not been considered yet. These are active and these are not live entered or exited. Only those strategies which are live entered or exited will be printed in here. All right, and this is what we need in general. So there are three strategies which have a status of active one, then second, if I scroll, so Hawkeye is already there in this. Okay, Project V is also there, and this one, Project V Mini and Edge. This is also active, so this will not be printed. So there are two Project V Mini plus Edge and just a Edge. Okay, and you can see that one of the project has been entered. All right. So this is what out of total nine, only six will be entered because only the live entered and the status equals to exited will be printed here, and that are live PNL. Okay, one thing you would have noticed that the entire name has not been printed. So what I'm doing is I'm printing only the, so there are two cases here. So if the user is basically entering some value in this strategy mapping. So if the user is entering the strategy name, the entire strategy name, and the short form, for example, here str1 is to this has to be there, the double colon, and the template ID. Okay, so it will the binary will actually check every strategy name here and will replace the strategy name to um, this particular short name. As you can see, line number 4 on the right hand side, I have str1 and there is a link to it. If I click on this link, it will basically ask to go to that particular link. All right, so this link is nothing but the a link to the TradeTron strategy. All right, and it, since it did not find any other strategies which I have entered into this text file strategies mapping, that's why it is considering first two first two words of the entire strategy. Strategy name are too big and it does not look good. So I have basically truncated to the first two words of it. For example, here Hawkeye BNF base is there. I'm just printing only Hawkeye. Similarly, if you go above, uh, let's say, for example, this white shark BNF something something. So here only white shark will be printed. Okay, just for demo purpose, let me just copy this white shark this thing. Okay, and I will give it as ws and give, let's say, 7891234. All right, and I save it. Now since I have saved it, uh, uh, okay, there is no change in environment file. However, it is a good idea or good practice to always create a new terminal every time you change anything into your environmental variables. So I will run it again. I created a new terminal and run it again. So let's see what happens. So WS will be, as you can observe here, WS is now is printed instead of blue, instead of white shark. All right, and it is a reading from here, this file. All right, I'll just pop it. Okay, this is one thing. Then coming back to this point, what if I want to run only those strategies which have for example, if I want to run only these two or to want to show only these two strategies in this TTPNL, so what I'll do, I'll just say no. So I don't want to caps no, I don't give small letter. So show all strategies in board no, and then if it is no, then add those strategies, only those strategies which you want to show into this file, strategies mapping.txt. So for example, here I already have changed it here. So I, since I added a new this thing, create a new terminal. So right, let me run it. So you will observe here that only two strategies will be printed, okay, in here. However, it shows that there are 9 strategies, but only two strategies will be printed in your TTPNL, and accordingly the percentage and everything are updated accordingly. Can you observe here? So these are the just two strategies that the creator want to show to the users and wants to hide all the other strategies because these are his private strategies. Right. All right. Um, this is one thing. There can be multiple use cases. For example, what if he does not want to show any any short form to this? So just give the template ID, for example, here. All right. And now if I run it, if I run, let me create a new terminal and I run it. Okay. So you will observe that the Nifty Kuber V2 will be replaced by two words only. So Nifty Kuber will be there, right? And the link is still there because you have added the you still added the template link. All right. So I'll just stop it here. Okay. Now this is about the two major things that I have added. All right. There are few things that I have removed. If you are using it from from before also, the how to show this particular TTPNL is the look wise it is different now. There are no brackets before and after the serial numbers. All right, and there is no spacing in between the equals left and right. All right, and added the percentage as well to every stat C and the combined percentage based on the multipliers. Right, so it will keep on calculating at runtime. All right, what else? Yeah, I think this is it about the the things that I have added. Okay, so for simplicity, I have kept the strategies mapping separate from the template ID, because this template ID is for the creators who have their strategies running in live auto and have subscribers to it. All right, any error in any of these template ID will be thrown will be the message will be thrown to the Telegram group based on the data that you are giving here in Telegram data. All right. Yeah, and also I added two more fields: Telegram chat ID debug and bot token debug. So what it will do, any errors that you get in your binary exe will not be dumped into your original or the default Telegram group, but it will be dumped into a new or separate Telegram group if you have created any just for your convenience, so that the users or the subscribers will not see it. All right. So this is it. Just let me know if you need any, if you find it helpful and you need any other enhancement. All right, you can contact me. Yeah, that's all up to it. I hope you find it beneficial. Thank you so much. Bye bye.